Dear builders, welcome to Grid's June product updates. Introducing Chart Builder. The Chart Builder helps you summarize data from Notion or Airtable, so you can skip using the query function to group and aggregate and instead visualize the data more easily with a friendly user interface. Meet our AI Chart Assistant. If you're looking for the best, fastest, or the easiest way to visualize your connected Notion and Airtable databases, this is it. Simply describe what you want your chart to display, and the assistant will create it for you. Drag and drop. Lots of you have been asking, so we're happy to let you know that drag and drop is here. This makes it super simple to rearrange content in your grid docs. For now, you can't drag and drop content within a column element, but you can vertically drag entire column elements, individual charts, and text blocks to get the layout you're looking for. Structured sheets. Notion and Airtable users can now more easily work with tabular data in a format that offers stronger querying capabilities and aggregations and better communicates the richness of the data. We also added drag and drop for chart colors. You can now change the order of the colors in your color palette by dragging tiles into your desired sequence. See you next month for the July product updates.